गुज़ा स्पेशल के एक नए एपिसोड में खुशामदीद। नाज़रीन, आज के प्रोग्राम में आपको बताएंगे घरेलू तशद्दुद के खिलाफ आवाज़ बुलंद करने वाली तंजीम वुमेन टू वुमेन की जानिब से ख़वातीन के आलमी दिन के मौके पर मुनक्किद की गई तीसरी सालाना तकरीब का आंखों देखा हाल। सबसे पहले डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस पर एक पैनल डिस्कशन का सेशन हुआ, जिसके बाद अवार्ड्स तकसीम किए गए और आखिर में तकरीब में मौजूद गुलकारों ने सुरों की महफिल मुनक्किद की। जैसा कि आपको पहले बताया गया है कि विमेन टू विमेन की इस तकरीब के 3 हिस्से हैं, तो आइए पहले हिस्से का अहवाल बताई देते हैं। विमेन टू विमेन फोरम के मेंबर्स के साथ पैनल डिस्कशन के लिए शामिल ख़वातीन ने घरेलू तशद्दुद में ख़वातीन को दरपेश मसाइल और इनके तदारुक पर बात की। सबसे पहले पैनल में शामिल ख़वातीन का तारुफ कराया गया।
Many cases end up going unreported due to cultural norms of protecting honor. Today, we have 3 very strong women who have been working with victims of domestic violence. I will introduce you to Nabila. Nabila is, by profession, she is a licensed real estate agent working in the community, a strong woman who stood up for herself and doing the best in this community. Nabila, could you please introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Nabila, and I'm serving my community as a real estate agent from about 18 years. And I'm a single mother raising my 3 beautiful kids by myself. And looking forward that if there's anyone in the community which needs help as domestic violence, they should know their needs and how they can survive with the help.
Thank you. The next one, Nabila, is Amber Haq. She is Commissioner of Task Force in Patterson. She has been helping the community for last 10 years. Amber, please introduce yourself.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Good evening, everyone. I have been working as an infant toddler specialist in early education, and also I have been working with domestic violence cases. I have been helping because I do volunteer in different mosques and different churches and synagogues. So because I'm on the board of Shalom, so due to that I get to see different ethnicities. I was able to help Desi community, Arab community, and Jewish community, which is a very tight community, and they usually don't come up and say that, hey, we have violence. क्योंकि वो अपने ही अंदर रखना चाहते हैं, अपने ही अंदर उसको रिजॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं हर तरह से.
Thank you. And my youngest member of our panel is Amara, who is an executive in a Women to Women team. By profession, she is a high-performing business analyst at Prudential, right, Amara? Yeah. And she works on many projects to empower women and a very resourceful and helpful person. Amara?
Just like Ghazal introduced me, I am an executive director at Women's Women Forum. I've been part of Women's Women Forum in its initial stages and have been designing the programs as well. Right next to me, actually, is our chairperson and founder who just joined us on the panel. And so domestic violence is a very important topic for me because it is during this COVID pandemic has been a rampant issue. And also I personally work on one of our programs within our organization, which is uplifting our community women.
We have just joined by Nusrat, who needs no introduction. Nusrat is the founder of Women to Women Forum. By profession, she is an educator. Currently, she is an administrator in Islamic school. She is involved in many community organizations, and she goes above and beyond to help people in this community. A very helpful and resourceful person. Nusrat, please introduce yourself.
You are very kind to share all these words for me. I'm just anyone like you or who are sitting here. We just help whoever requires our help. And this Women to Women Forum is just, I would say, an idea which emerged out of social media. And we created it to bring community together. And it grew, and we created a non-profit out of it. And some of the members here are from the initial start of it. And now, mashallah, we've been doing great things, and especially in terms of women who need our support, they reach out to us. So we have a segment of that part, and that segment in Women to Women, where we are helping women in need also. Empowering women doesn't mean that we are always helping just women in need, but we empower women, whoever is whichever level.
तारुफ के बाद पैनल डिस्कशन का आगाज हुआ, जिसमें अमेरिका समेत साउथ एशिया में मौजूद ख़वातीन को दरपेश मसाइल और घरेलू तशद्दुद की वजूहात पर तफसील से बातचीत की गई।
So, do you have something for like a resource for them to go to see what they can do, because this women they are not aware of a lot of things. So do you have anything that they can go to, that you can they can get counseling, or they can get some kind of help from?
Right. Actually, we are the way each case is different, and I'm sure you have worked in the community and you know that. So we try to tap into community resources, and maybe we might not have an answer right away, but we look for answers and we get the resource available for them. Let's say if somebody is battered and doesn't have any means of having monthly grocery, so we have tapped into community resources and we found ways of figuring it out. The other way, another example is mental health support. So there are resources. We ourselves are, navigator in this, and we try to figure it out. But the main thing I would say, this kind of work is done through team support, and we have a great team, and we are evolving within that. We are actually fortunate to have all these panelists here with you. So I'm sure they have they would become our resource too, and they would also share their insights of what they have been doing in that regard.
घरेलू तशद्दुद के खात्मे के लिए ये ज़रूरी है कि वायलेंस के वाक़यात रिपोर्ट हों। अगर रिपोर्ट नहीं होंगे तो इनका तदारुक कैसे किया जाएगा? पैनल में मौजूद ख़वातीन ने इस बात पर जोर दिया कि घरेलू तशद्दुद के वाक़यात रजिस्टर कराने के लिए ख़वातीन में शऊर बेदार करने की ज़रूरत है।
I would ask a question, Nabila. How would you define domestic violence, and what are common misconceptions about it?
Women usually, they don't know, not women, anybody, when they're going through this cycle, then they're not sure what's happening to them. They don't know how to determine they are being abused, and they have to be open-minded, and they should give full faith to God first, and then because He's the only one who can bring everything to the puzzle pieces together. First thing, and then second thing is our own community also, our own family. That family, and as a mother, we should teach our kids how not to be in that situation. That's the first thing we should do. And then the second thing is the family, and we have to go to the families. Families, they take care of different. They take care of a lot of stuff which you don't know.
They support you. The family is there to support you, and then you should go back to the family and ask them for their support.
Right. Because a lot of times you don't know you're going through that. So first of all, patience, awareness, and then the resources, what you have. And the best thing is that once you realize that, then you make sure that you are getting some kind of trade in your hand, because it's very important. Because a lot of times it's like more financially it takes, because you are worried, you are more emotionally disturbed if you don't have anything in hand.
ख़वातीन को अपने हक़ के लिए आवाज़ बुलंद करनी चाहिए। पैनल में शामिल नुसरत सुहेल ने एक और मौजू की जानिब तवज्जो दिलाई। ख़वातीन को इसलिए भी तशद्दुद का निशाना बनाया जाता है कि इनमें ज़हनी सेहत के मसाइल हैं।
What unseen challenges are in domestic violence victims, and they face a lot of issues that they do not know, unseen issues that come up, and how to handle them, and how to overcome that. I'll ask you that question, Amber.
So the first thing is I have to piggyback with our panelists. The first thing is mental health. Because when you are suffering, you are completely paralyzed, depending on each person. So इनकी जो बात है, recognizing that there's something going on with me, is I'm actually going through, because when you are used to getting abused so much, you don't even realize when you're in that situation. And if somebody is saying that, something is going wrong, then, no, it's not happening. The first question is coming from denial. Many of our clients that we talk, we help, we do everything, even when they are in the court. And I see that they decide that, nahin, maine wapas jana hai, I'm going back with. We know what's going to happen. It's going to happen the same thing back. But at the end, then we also, as professionals, have to respect that, okay, you know what, that's her decision. So, and then it's all training. We, I'm a trainer by trade, so we do have a training system. That first thing is recognition. The other thing is that, as you said, family support. If you don't have family support and you know that you're doing the right thing, you have to be strong enough to make that decision. How are you going to be strong enough if you have a trade? If you are not in that situation to get trade, तो वहाँ पे आपको कहाँ से services मिल सकते हैं? So luckily, I'm in Passaic County, which is richly empowered by so many resources. We have Ashiana, we have Manami that we give resource. We have Oasis, which is a haven for women. Unki jitne bhi services hain, it's based on women and kids. They support you if you are legal or illegal. If you have papers or not, which is huge. Then we have Baudi, which is another Bangladeshi women board. And we do fundraising for many different people, and according to that we give them, and then there's a legal support also.
पैनल डिस्कशन में इस बात पर इत्तेफाक किया गया कि घरेलू तशद्दुद की रोकथाम के लिए ख़वातीन को खुद आगे आना होगा। अगर किसी को डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस का सामना है तो पुलिस या 911 पर इत्तला दी जाए। इसके बाद पैनल में मौजूद ख़वातीन का शुक्रिया अदा किया गया और यहाँ घरेलू तशद्दुद के लिए पैनल डिस्कशन के सेशन का इख्तिताम हुआ।
कई नई इमिग्रेंट जो ख़वातीन के साथ मैंने काम किया, मैंने सबके साथ जो भी थी नई इमिग्रेंट्स के साथ किया, तो उनके कम्युनिकेशन गैप्स भी होते हैं। नॉट दैट दे जस्ट नो हाउ टू स्पीक, अगर अंग्रेजी भी आती है और उर्दू आती है, उसको अपने बात को कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पा रहे होते हैं। So you need to act not as a translator, but also someone who can impart their information to Manvi, to Ashiana, or all these resources that are there, or even to legal services. वो अपनी बात नहीं बता पा रहे होते हैं।
And they're going through a lot. It's psychological trauma. And it's, not only that battle women, they're very successful women who are very successful, but the embarrassment of society and culture will keep you away from not seeking help.
They don't want to come out. They don't want to tell people because honor.
कि मेरे साथ भी ऐसा
हो सकता है. And I feel like हमारी कम्युनिटी को अवेयरनेस ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए इस बात में, because we should be as in a religion it says like violence is not accepted. Domestic violence, especially, is not accepted, and it is physical, emotional. So counseling is very important. Going to the right approach is very important. As you said, आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा बोला, and you guys gave a lot of resources to all the audience we have about domestic violence and the first step. And I think the first step is acknowledgement, as you all said. You have to acknowledge and you know, as you said, the gut feeling that you have that this is not right, something is wrong in your life, and they have to do something about it and stand up for themselves. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you all, and we will have the resources, information in the comment section, and then everybody can go on and look into our website as well. I appreciate everybody listening to us. Thank you.
अब बात करेंगे तकरीब के दूसरे हिस्से की, जहां ख़वातीन के हुकूक के लिए आला खिदमात के एतराफ़ में अवार्ड से नवाजा गया। रूह रवां नुसरत सुहेल ने निज़ामत के फ़राइज़ संभाले। तकरीब का आगाज़ तिलावत कलाम पाक से किया गया, जिसके बाद मुख्तलिफ प्रोग्रामों के बारे में आगाही दी गई।
First of all, I would like to welcome respected guests, awardees, panelists, our W2W Forums team members, and all friends from the community who are watching this award ceremony of our neighborhood heroes. First of all, I want to say International Women's Day Mubarak. I believe your presence is a sign of supporting women empowerment, which we all have opted to become part of collectively, mainly to empower, uplift, inspire together our fellow women of all age groups and from all walks of life. अकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, and यहाँ जवान हम सारी ख़वातीन हैं। अकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नज़र आती है उसको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में। शुक्रिया and thank you. I just wanted to thank my team. My woman-to-woman team is amazing. Some of you know them. I just wanted to identify them who are here. Sabina, just wave. Amara, Farhana, Ifat, and Iram is not here today because she's online. She's watching us, and her mother lives with her, and she opted to have it saved because of her mother. And then we have Ghazal, our team member. We have Amber, another team member. We have Farzana Haki. How can we forget that? Yeah, who just left. But she will be back. And of course all of you. You all are our team members, and I should identify Uzair Bhai. We have adopted him as one of our team members, but he's on the side. He has always been there whenever we run into any problem. He works with us as if he's directly engaged with us. So shukriya to all. And I hope we can continue to work the same way as we have from past 3 years.
कौंसिल जनरल आयशा अली तकरीब में शामिल रहीं। उन्होंने शुरका से गुफ्तगू में सबसे पहले ख़वातीन के आलमी दिन पर मुबारकबाद पेश की। तकरीब के इनेकाद और इंतज़ामिया की काविश को सराहा।
And I'm very grateful to you, Nusrat, for doing this. And I wouldn't say in the midst of the pandemic. I think we are beginning to see some light at the end of this tunnel. But what? सबसे पहले तो Happy Women's Day. That's why we're here. बहुत मुबारक हो everyone. Thank you. And what a difference a year has made. The last community event that I attended before the pandemic hit us was the day went by a Women to Women forum. So it has a very special, it resonates with me. I recall it with very fond memories. You did such a splendid show. It was a huge event. Hundreds and hundreds of people showed up, and there were so many different in-person panels, very useful discussions. But even more wonderful is today's event, because despite all the challenges, you have kept up the spirit, and thank you so much for sharing, with us all the work that you have done during this year. During 2020 and now in 2021. And 2020 was an extremely challenging year for all of us, and especially for women. And why I say women is that it's very, very concerning that millions and millions of women have actually dropped out of the workforce because of the pandemic. They are now staying at home, they are taking care of their children, and thank you so much for all your help and contribution in this context. And let's enjoy the rest of our evening by giving away some awards. Thank you so much.
आयशा अली ने पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी के ख़वातीन के मस्बत किरदार की भी तारीफ की, जिसके बायस डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस के वाक़यात की बीखकनी होती है। कौंसिल जनरल आयशा अली की तकरीर के बाद अवार्ड्स देने का सिलसिला शुरू किया गया। इसमें कोई शक नहीं कि वुमेन टू वुमेन एक बेहतरीन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और इसका सेहरा इसकी टीम है।
Farzana, could you receive?
She's a role model.
She is a role model for young people in the community. She does a lot of community work, and we think that she definitely deserves this award.
Thank you. This is really a big honor. Thank you very much. Really, thank you.
Next to
Thank you very much. Just wanted to add
Senator Khan with the award for youth leadership.
अवार्ड तकसीम के आखिर में ग्रुप फोटो सेशन हुआ।
Yeah, sure. आप अच्छी तस्वीरें खींचे तो प्रॉब्लम है। आप अच्छी तस्वीरें खींचे तो प्रॉब्लम रहेगा।
आप लर्न करना शुरू हो गया।
मैं प्रैक्टिस कर।
Does not know which camera to watch. Both are, this is the main one. So,
The main one is.
please say 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
लीजिए जनाब, अब बात करेंगे आज की तकरीब के तीसरे हिस्से की, जिसमें महफिल मौसीकी का इनेकाद किया गया। पाकिस्तानी पॉप बैंड आवाज़ के गाने जाने कौन थी हसीना से सुरों की इस महफिल का आगाज़ किया गया। 90 की दहाई में फ़ाखिर और हारून ने इस गाने को गाया, लेकिन यहाँ भी इंसाफ किया गया। मसरत नज़ीर के गाने चलें तो कट ही जाएगा सफ़र को फरजाना की आवाज़ ने एक नई रूह अता कर दी। स्ट्रिंग्स बैंड के गाने छाए छाए को भी गाया गया। साल 1952 में एक पाकिस्तानी फिल्म दुपट्टा रिलीज हुई, जिसमें मलका तरन्नुम नूरजहां की जानदार अदाकारी के साथ साथ फिरोज निजामी ने कमाल मौसीकी दी। फरजाना ने चांदनी रातें गाकर समा बांध दिया। इसके बाद महफिल का आखिरी गाना गाया गया, जो 1987 में नुमाइश के लिए पेश की गई फिल्म दुलारी से लिया गया। एम अशरफ ने इसकी मौसीकी दी। माजी में ये गाना मैडम नूरजहां और मसरत नज़ीर ने गाया। यकीनन इस गाने के साथ भी इंसाफ हुआ और इसे बेहतरीन अंदाज में गाया गया। महफिल मौसीकी के इख्तिताम पर शुरका का शुक्रिया अदा किया गया। विमेन टू विमेन की इस नशिस्त का इख्तिताम पुरतकल्लुफ खाने पर हुआ।
I'm not singing, but I wanted to just wrap up the night. Just thanking everyone online, everybody who joined us online. Thank you so much for staying with us, for those that came in and out throughout the day, for our panels, for our awards, for our entertainment. From the bottom of our heart, we say thank you for joining and hearing all the amazing women that you heard from today. So thank you so much for coming into being part of our 3rd International Women's Day, and we look forward to having you as part of our organization. Feel free to visit our website at womentowomenforum.org. Thank you and have a good night.
नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे थे प्रोग्राम वोसा स्पेशल में ख़वातीन और नौजवानों की नुमाइंदा तंजीम विमेन टू विमेन की जानिब से ख़वातीन के आलमी दिन पर मुनक़्क़दा तक़रीब का अहवाल। आज का सिलसिला यहाँ इख्तिताम पज़ीर हुआ। देखते रहिए वॉइस ऑफ साउथ एशिया।